Hello and welcome to Adobe Photoshop Non-Destructive Editing Workflow. My name is Sam, your instructor for this course. Note that this tutorial is not for absolute beginners. In this course, Photoshop users will learn non-destructive editing workflow to correct their working pipeline and improve their skills to apply in different applications such as photography, designing, post-productions, or so. In this tutorial, you will understand many features such as layer adjustments, smart objects, and different types of masks like layer mask, vector mask, and clipping. Also, you will get familiar with vectors, blending layers, styles, and of course filters. In addition, I will talk about camera raw filter and some more adjustments on there. By passing this course, your editing workflow will get improved, and as an expert user, you will edit and readjust your documents much faster and easier. On different sections, I will talk about selections, refining masks, and many more tips such as transformations. I am available to assist my students if they have any problems or facing with any difficulties. Nothing to worry. So join me in this course and enjoy your skill improvements. See you in the class.